Hey guys, this is an update for the missing parcel ni Shopee. No. So, um, hindi ko na may edit to, but I would like to say na nawala na talaga yung parcel na yan. And hindi nila nahanap, hindi nireport ko na ang shop. Walang sumasagot sa akin ng matino sa shop nila. And this is so unhealthy. No, kasi talagang nakikita ko that the parcel is now gone. I don't know kung nandyan pa ba. Hopefully andyan pa. may 2 days pa tayo to as you're watching this, tapos na ang ang reklamo ko, and hopefully ma-refunded na ako sa pera kong yon. But there's a lot to talk about. Kasi etong shop na to, nagreklamo ako nagsabi ako na asan na yung parcel ko, pakitula, ganyan. Nung una sinagot nila ako, sabi nila paparating pa daw yon. Paparating pa daw. Pero kinalaunan, yesterday, I updated. Wala na, like sobrang dami daw ng mga messages nila na kaya walang magre-respond sa akin during that time. 2 beses 'yon. Kahapon 2 beses ako inquire. Pero wala talaga, guys. Sadly. So, ang masasabi ko lang doon is talagang nireport ko sila. Nireport ko ang shop. And then may update pa to, part 2, no? Part 2 ito, part 3 yung update natin. Last update natin, hopefully by May 12. Kasi talagang I'm not feeling na ma-resolve ba to, pero I'm not feeling na ma-receive ko ang parcel. Kasi wala na according to sa mga friends ko, ang parcels really just take 5 days to 5 days to, let's say 7 or 8 days. Pero never siyang dumating ng 10 days or more. Imagine, April 27 pa yon. Ano na ngayon? May 10. So, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 10 days na. 7, no? 8, 9, 10. 13 days na walang update. Yes, nabigay sila ng voucher, pero Shopee, baka naman refund. Oo, maliit lang yon, pero malaki pa rin yun para sa akin. Kasi wala akong maliit lang ang budget ko. Maliit pa lang ang budget ko. I'm not a millionaire, Shopee. So paki-refund ha. Kasi kalmado lang ako, pero my heart is still on the works. Kasi one shop lang naman yan. So I don't want to parang have a traumatic experience, Shopee. Platinum member nyo na ako. By this time, I think nag-reset na. Pero platinum member nyo na ako noong January to May. Okay? Please, kung gusto nyo na manatili akong customer nyo, refund na lang. Kasi I'm sure wala na yung parcel na yan. Maliit kasi yun parang keychain. Kasi yung yung parcel na yan is yung parang 8 ball na maliit na parang keychain daw siya. Yan ang nila. Tapos parang isi-shake mo na. Kasi may mga comments kasi doon na nare-receive nila. So misleading ang reviews nila doon, kasi nakikita ko na nare-receive nila. Maraming reviews doon na nare-receive nila. So bakit yung akin ang hindi nare-receive? Please, let me know what you can do. No? May pag-asa pa, there's 2 days more sa battle na to. So, ingat kayo guys. I love you all. This is just a part 2 of the beef with Shopee. Pasensya na kayo. That's what I have to tell you about. No, this is the 10th video in a row. Milestone na to, guys. Milestone na talaga to because it's 10 videos in a row and I'm proud of myself for doing that. And I appreciate your time and effort in, you know, viewing my content. Wala man akong shorts, but wala, gusto ko to eh. I really like what I'm doing right now. And this is inspired by Roman Atwood, who's still going until now. Mag 370 plus na ata yun eh. 370 plus videos in a row. So, nalagpasan niya na ang 1 year mark, no? So, this one, I'm trying to build at least 30 days. Then, kung kaya natin ng 30 days, kasi ganito kasi yung ano nila, measurement ni Roman Atwood. 30 days. Yun yung first ever experiment niya. No? 30 days. So, napakalaking ano nun. Napakalaking improv ang lahat ng yun. And dahil meron siyang laundromat, meron siyang car wash, may pang content siya. Eh ako, anong gagawin ko dito? Mapipaint. Mapipaint. So, ganun yung gagawin ko na lang muna, no? Kasi wala pa akong masyadong negosyo and I'm planning to actually make a negosyo from scratch, no? So, hopefully, ma-manifest ko yan, no? Thank you very much, everybody. This was a heartbreaking video kasi because first time ko na hindi mo receivean ang parcel. But, Shopee, take care. Love you. Bye. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is your host and always your boy, Shivlan Suarez. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye-bye.